So guys, in this video I will show you how you can enable the insert mode. Sometimes this also happens. You can miss some tab. For example, as of now there is no insert tab in Excel. So sometimes it is quite hectic, like, because we often use this tab. So in order to find it, you can just go to the file options. In options you will see the customize ribbon. In the customize ribbon you will see the option for insert. Just tick that one and hit OK. So now you can see the insert tab, and here you can draw the tables, pivot, and whatever you want to do. So for example, I want to make some table. I will select, for example, I want to do the table. So this is my table. Because I select only the one box, that's why it's like this. If I want to create like this much, I will go to the insert, I will hit table, and then I will select this much for like from this to this, like from J to column P. I will hit OK. So this is my table. And if you will closely notice, each table has its own name. So this is my table 2 and this is my table 1. If I select it, this is my table 1 and this is my table 2. Okay, so this is how you can create the table. You can play with the tables, and you can, if something is missing, just go to the file options. You will get the information there. I hope you like this video. Thanks. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button.